Miracle Morning and Strangers fit Tim Ferris. I think there is a reason why I practice Miracle Morning. The expectation that morning activities will bring about a miraculous change in life. Suddenly, I read the answer in Tim Ferriss' book Before I Turn 40. It's from Jason Namer, the founder of Acro Yoga. You don't have to wander around and travel. Give you a warm welcome to a stranger who suddenly visits you. He could be an angel who came to help you. Jason Namer. From this year, I decided to work hard on blog and YouTube activities. I wrote my wish, read, and studied English every morning by practicing Miracle Morning. But recently, there was a request to put English subtitles in my video. So, studying English became more meaningful. One day, I welcomed a stranger who suddenly came, and it seems like I met an angel who came to help me study English. There were not English names that I don't know how to read, but I'm just thankful for them all. It's so nice to meet people I'm thankful for on YouTube, even if I don't have to meet anyone while traveling. As a result, I began to look for simpler and easier expression in English because the words expressed in Korean were different from those expressed in English, and studying English became more vivid. Thank you to those who suddenly came and left comments, and Tim Ferriss for writing good books. And thank you to nature for the wonderful autumn sunshine. Thank you very much. I'm Ligo.